Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can recover an already deleted board in your Trello workspace really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So let me, for example, delete that board here just for the sake of this tutorial. As you can see, I'm inside that workspace here inside my Trello account. So here to the left, you will see these boards associated to your workspace, and you can delete one just for demonstration purposes. For example, a board by clicking on these three dots here, by selecting close board, and by confirming by clicking on close here. As you can see, the board just disappeared from my list of associated boards here. So to recover it, for example, if you accidentally deleted a board, simply head over to the boards overview of your workspace here in the top left corner, and after that you will see an overview of all of your boards here, like that one, or you can also create a new one. Now to view all closed boards, click on that button below, and after that you will see that window here listed with all closed boards listed below. So you can, for example, reopen one by clicking on that button, or delete it permanently by clicking on that button. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me recover that board I closed just a moment ago. So let me click on it, confirm by clicking on that button here. You can also assign a workspace, and after that the board will be recovered. As you can see, let me just close that window here. As you can see, the board has appeared again here inside that list, so I can also access it, view all cards and to-do lists, and that's basically it, guys. As you can see, super simple. I hope you got some real value from this video, and I'll see you next time on our channel.